All right, my people, now welcome back to Critics News with more updates. Now, may we go straight, go see what in the happen on top this Mazi Nnamdi Kanu case. I go remember say the DSS don't finally ban Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's lawyers from visiting him. No be small thing, no. They say may nobody come visit him again. The last time when they go there, they say that will be the last time that they were going to see him. So they don't still go back to court now. So court now don't summon the DSS boss. Make it come in person or else he will collect prison. Make una hear from Barrister Lloyd Jimako when they were speaking on this issue.
The legal counsel representing Nnamdi Kanu has bemoaned the disobedience of court order concerning visitations to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu by his lawyers. The legal team, led by Aloy Ejimako, Esquire, while speaking to journalists, says the Federal High Court in Abuja has issued a judicial process against the Director General of State Security Services, Mr. Adeola Oluwatosin Ajayi, to show cause why he should not be committed to prison. Aloy highlighted that on the 23rd of October, Ajayi, acting on instructions with the aid of armed officers of the DSS, barricaded Mazi Kanu's lawyers, Aloy Ejimako and Mandela Umeborogo, from having access to Mazi Kanu on a routine visitation aimed at discussing his case with him and ascertaining his general well-being.
We also filed a counter process in response, stating to the court that if in fact the orders issued by Justice Nyako are now null and void, then that must include, as a matter of logic, it must include the very order she issued, which was the first one that led to the remand and detention of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. So if the government is now arguing that the order of visitation is no longer valid by virtue of that recusal, then the order of detention shall also not be valid. This is our argument. And the most important one, and which is overriding, is our client's right to fair trial. You cannot have fair trial in the absence of lawyers having access to the defendant to prepare him for trial. So this notice that was issued yesterday has become the climax of this serial contempt of orders of court by the DSS.
While Nemeka Ejiofor accused the DSS of depriving Nnamdi Kanu access to clothes, writing materials, medical visitors, and his lawyers, Mandela Umeborogo said the State Secretive Service is in violation of court order.
Disobey the order to have us have writing materials when talking to our client. They disobey the order to give us a clean room to discuss with our clients and prepare him for the defense. So this organization called the State Security Service is worse than the police, the secret police of Idi Amin of Uganda, and worse than the secret police of Hitler. This is a democratic society, for goodness sake. Nigeria is an independent democratic nation, but the DSS have made it an autocratic and banana republic organization.
These people are in total violation of court order. If they say that the order the court has met based on the recusal has elapsed or terminated, it means that they have to release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, because the same order that is what is keeping him in their detention. It means that order also terminated.
The legal team reiterated their stance in ensuring that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu will not be subjected to a trial that is manifestly against the tenets of the Constitution and statutes that guarantee every defendant an unhindered access to lawyers of his choice, as if allowed will not amount to a grave miscarriage of justice that will forever live in infamy.
All right, una don't see him say this country, just like Shawore said here, he say on Nnamdi Kanu's detention, say Nigeria has Igbo problem. So what is saying this? That Nigeria has Igbo problem. Nigeria is Igbophobic. He's not the only one who made a similar statement. Similar statement was also made by, what do you call this man? Obasanjo, who said that, denying Igbo's right to presidency, for attempting to break Nigeria is unfair. So all these things are boiling down together to show you that Nigeria truly has an Igbo problem. And these things are not having any solution anytime soon. So whether you are supporting Mazi Nnamdi Kanu or not, okay, these things are not going away as far as you are an Igbo man. Whether you are in the APC or you are in the PDP or you are in Labour Party or you want to become a president or you are in politics, these things that they are saying applies to you. There is no pity for an Igbo man in this country called Nigeria. Nobody wants you to survive. Make I see whether I go find the video where, what do you call it? Where Shawore was speaking on this particular issue of Nigeria having Igbo problem. Anything that has to do with Igbo, Nigeria is not happy about it. And I wonder how this country can move forward when there is no, peace, no unity in this context. It's impossible. The other day, they just tell us, what do you call it? They captured some youth, they say they are IPOB members and blah, 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 blah. I don't know. So those people now are gone because they are Igbos. But when it comes to the north, and if they capture anybody that they label IPOB in the southeast, that person is gone. But in the north, when they capture people there, they tell us that these people have repented. They are repented Boko Haram terrorists. So I wonder when Boko Haram terrorists became a people that can repent. Meanwhile, IPOB now is the bad egg in the country. Why? Because they are Igbos. So you, as an Igbo man, you have to be very, very careful in this country. Since when they hold Mazi Nnamdi Kanu now, they never agree leave am. They never agree leave am. You see, they never agree leave am. So this case of arrest is very, very serious. I never sure say they go fit get justice easily. I never sure say they go fit get justice easily on top of this matter. Now so government go they do Papa Nyanya. They don't summon the DSS boss, make a concord, come clarify, make a con show how they take they do that one. But now these things are being played by the government. I was trying to get that particular see here. Let me this one. Appear in person for denying Nnamdi Kanu's lawyers access. Court orders DSS DG Ajayi. So, but if you look at the situation, you see that this man is not going to appear. And nothing is also going to happen. So all these things are things that the federal government is doing to delay, to distract, to just disorganize the whole process of the country. Instead of going straight to the point. If you want to jail him, convict this man and jail him, make everybody rest. But if you don't have the capacity, if you don't have evidence to jail him, then leave him. It's as simple as ABC. How can you just capture this man since 2021 up till now as I speak? But I never feel judge the case finish. But the other day, very dark man was asleep when I don't go get injunction, say make he go delete a video when he post for in social media handles. So if una want judge, make una dey judge this thing well, judge and fast. May we know the one where we did. Una go use DSS, they do papa nyanya, they do go up, go come. I beg, may we go straight. But before we go another news now, they say they don't define way where they go to unite this country. Say now by teaching one thing, watch.
This meeting between the National Orientation Agency and stakeholders in Taraba State is to flag off the campaign to create a more positive image for Nigeria and to educate citizens on the importance of their national identities and values inherent. The sensitization, according to the agency, is a critical step towards building a stronger and more united Nigeria, as well as fostering a sense of national unity, social cohesion, and shared national values charter. According to the state director, the eroding values has become imperative for the agency to step in to right the wrong.
The National Orientation Agency, in collaboration with relevant stakeholders, has decided to embark on this project to promote a shared sense of national identity and reorient our citizens towards the core values that define us.
Security agencies present at the event say it is a defining moment for Nigeria as the loss of values as a people has led to increase in crime rate.
This sensitization will go a long way in bringing back our values, our love for one another, and respect for human life.
The Director General of the agency, represented by the Director of Special Duties, is insisting that in a bid to restore Nigeria's dignity, the Federal Executive Council has approved the teaching of citizenship study with its content as the National Values Charter as compulsory subjects from primary to tertiary level across the country.
We have Nigerians who are making positive impact in academics, in sports, and in various fields of endeavor, in science, in medicine, so at home and abroad. So we're going to promote these Nigerians as the true brand that the world should know about Nigeria. The Federal Executive Council also approved the teaching as a compulsory subject from primary school to tertiary level in all institutions of learning in Nigeria of citizenship study with its content as the National Values Charter.
While the National Orientation Agency reels out its mandate, stakeholders at the meeting are also demanding that the National Charter of Nigeria be made manifest to ensure equality, democracy, entrepreneurship, and peace.
All right, when I don't see that they want to unite this country. My brother, there's no hope for Nigeria. I mean, they tell you that one. The way when Nigeria be, no hope the inside. Before we finally go to the next news, I beg, if you want some money go Nigeria from Obodo, you will make you not forget to use this very app, what they call Tap Send. No bonge app, where we say if you use them, you get benefit. And while using it, use my promo code so that they will give you £5 for those people waiting for UK. €5 for people where they use euro, and then $10 for people where they USA and Canada. 25 AED. Now they go top on top of your money if you day for Dubai. They make this very transaction using my promo code. And the first transaction is completely free, so you don't need to fear anything at all. Okay, so please share this video for me, and I will see you guys on the next update. Thank you.